Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Last videos I given how to calculate the EAN rule in various coordination compounds and oxidation state and coordination number. What is double salt, what is complex compounds I given. Now today I want to discuss isomerism. It is very important in all types of exams. But what is isomerism? Already we have in organic chemistry. Now this isomerism in inorganic chemistry. Because both are same but examples are different. There are organic compounds means carbon containing compounds. Inorganic compounds means remaining other than carbon compounds are known as inorganic compounds. In complex compounds, these compounds also which shows various types of isomerisms. Iso means similar, same. Iso means same or similar. Similar compounds, same compound. Having same molecular formula which differ their structures and which differ arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom is known as isomerism. Iso means similar, having same molecular formula which differ their structures means structural isomerism. Means again isomerisms are two types. Isomerism means having same molecular formula which differ their structural around the central metal atom. So with their ligands is known as isomerism. Iso means similar or same, having same molecular formula. Structural isomerism and stereoisomerism, these two are very important with examples. Structural means which differ their structure, having same molecular formula which differ their structure. Stereo means having same molecular formula which differ their arrangement, spatial arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom is known as stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. I want to give clear explanation with each and every definition and example. Please watch number of times this video. So structural isomerism again have so many types. One is ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. And second one is coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. Third one is hydrate isomerism. Hydrate isomerism. Next, fourth one is linkage isomerism. Fifth one is coordination position isomerism. Stereoisomerisms again two types: geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. Just remember this chart only. Just isomerisms are two types: structural and stereo. Structural means having same molecular formula which differ their structure. Stereo means having same molecular formula which differ the spatial arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. So structural isomerism again, so ionization isomerism and coordination isomerism and hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination position isomerism. Remember these 5 types in structural isomerism. Geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, these two are in stereoisomerism. Remember these definitions and example, then isomerism in complex compound will be over. But in organic chemistry, same we have structural and stereo. In there also geometrical and optical, because various different examples. So in carbon compounding example. But in structural isomerism we have chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, like that we have in organic chemistry. But in this ionization in isomerism, because complex compounds undergoes ionization and also coordination and also hydrate and also linkage and also given already. First one is ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Having same molecular formula which differ ions in the complex compounds and out of the complex compound. Means in the sphere, out of the sphere, which differ. So just example, take example CO NH3 5 Cl SO4 and CO NH3 5 SO4 Cl. Because now this is a complex entity. This is the complex out of the sphere. This is also complex entity. This is out of sphere. Here SO4 minus 2 is there. Here also Cl minus is there. So here SO4 minus 2 here means which differ only ions only in the sphere and out of the sphere. Here SO4 out of the sphere. Here Cl out of the sphere. Here Cl in the sphere. This difference is known as ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Having same molecular formula which differ only exchange of ions in the sphere out of the sphere is known as ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Second one is coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. What is coordination isomerism? Coordination isomerism means having same molecular formula. So generally here CO NH3 6 again CR CN6. These two complex compounds. Now this is cation and anion complex compound. In cation and anionic complex compounds which exchange only central metal atoms but not ligands, please. Those complex compounds which exchange central metal atom, now CO becomes to CR NH3 6 and here Cr becomes to CO CN6. Now which exchange only central metal atom in the complex compound is known as coordination isomerism. Having same molecular formula, exchanging only central metal atom in cation and anionic complex compound is known as coordination isomerism. Coordination hydrate isomerism. In name only we have hydrate, means hydrate. Hydra means water. Aqua, hydra means water only. Which exchange water molecule in the sphere out of the sphere is known as hydrate isomerism, having same molecular formula. So just example CO H2O 6 Cl3 and CO H2O 5 Cl 1 H2O out of the sphere again Cl2. Now here 6 H2O becomes to 5 H2O. So one chlorine written, written in the sphere. Two chlorines are remaining. One H2O molecule out of the sphere. Means which exchange in the sphere out of the sphere only H2O molecule is known as hydrate isomerism. Hydrate isomerism. And also which exchange H2O molecule like this. CO, H2O4, H2O4, Cl2. How many? 2H2O, Cl. Here 4 H2Os. And also we can write CO, H2O3, Cl3. How many? 3 H2Os. Exchange of water molecules in the complex entity in the sphere and out of the sphere is known as hydrate isomerism. Hydrate isomerism. Fourth one is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. In linkage isomerism, one of the ligand must be ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. What is ambidentate ligand means? So the ligand having two donor centers. Example Cn minus, Nc minus. Two donor sites. So NO2 minus and ONO. Okay. So thiocyano, SCN minus, NCN minus. These are all our ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands. So ligand, linkage isomerism which undergoes in the presence of ambidentate ligand only. Just observe, if you observe linkage word is there in a isomerism, just first observe whether given complex compound having ambidentate ligand or not. If it is having ambidentate ligand, definitely which shows linkage isomerism. So having same molecular formula which differ only the linkage of ambidentate ligand. Just remember that CO, NH3, 5, NO2, Cl and CO, NH3, 5, ONO, Cl. These two are which type of isomers, whether they are linkage isomer, whether they are coordination isomer, whether they are hydrate isomer. Means so H2O molecules are not there. There is no exchange of H2O molecules, so which does not follows hydrate isomerism. And coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism means the cation and anion complex compounds which exchange central metal atoms, two different central metal atoms. Here only one central metal atom which doesn't have coordination isomerism. Now ambidentate ligand is there here. So the NO2, so which is bonding with the central metal atom N only. Because same NO2 only again here bonding with the oxygen only, central metal ligand bonding with oxygen only with the central metal atom. Means same ligands having different sides, donating sides, different donating sides. This type of coordination position isomerism. Coordination position isomerism. If you observe coordination position isomerism means the complex compound having bridged structure only. For example, CO, Now this is also complex compounds. Here two central metal atoms are there. Here ligands NH3 4, here NH3 2Cl2. These hydroxy hydroxy functional groups are bridged with a central metal atom. Anywhere if you observe coordination position isomerism, so definitely that complex compound must and should bridged form only. And having same molecular formula which differ only ligands in the around the two central metal atoms. Two central metal. Here 4 NH3s are there. Here 2 NH3. Exchange of ligands around the central metal atom in bridged form is known as coordination isomerism. So for example, CO NH3 here 3 only. If it is shifted to one ligand, shifted ammonia ligand in, so in another CO central metal atom, then it becomes to NH3 Cl2 again SO4 minus 2 SO4 minus 2. This type of isomerism is known as coordination position isomerism. The position which differ the position of ligands around the two different central metal atom or same central metal atom. So same central metal atom CO only around the central metal atom only. So this type of isomerism is known as coordination position isomerism. This is about structural isomerism. Next video I want to discuss stereoisomerism. And in stereoisomerism, geometrical and optical isomerism. Please students remember one example, minimum 2 or 1 example for each isomerism. What are the changes occurs in each and every isomerism? In competitive exams, if you know definition, that is very easy to identify the isomerism questions. And remember definition and with an examples. And after stereoisomerism, I want to give trick to identify the isomerism. Follow the trick, the easy and very easiest trick in this isomerism. I want to discuss one separate video, only trick for isomerisms. Okay, follow number of times my video and watch number of times and practice number of times this isomerism examples and definitions. Definitely, if you like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.